Doing some more work on the FJ today, getting it ready for my vacation, getting it packed here. Of course, there's the Thetford toilet. Here is the ready light. That is the main light itself, the big square. Then it's got the 4 little pods that snap in there and charge, and that does charge by solar. Here is its tripod down here. That's a 3-leg tripod. This is the Auto Home Safari chair that they've been selling for several years. One of the most comfortable camp chairs ever. And of course the Trail Kitchens truck box here. That's always in the rig, as well as the National Luna fridge that's behind the toilet there. 2 Easy On K9 tables. And then of course there is a Blue Ridge Chairworks chair next to it, which you will see here. Yep, there you can see the Blue Ridge Chairworks. 1 alu box, 70 liter or 72 liter. That's got all my camping supplies. The 60 liter food one will go on top of it here. That's not going to go in yet. It's a little too early for that. Got the Base Camp Aqua Cube. This is my shower that I'll be using. It runs on propane. Very nice. And this is the Overland Solar 120 watt solar panel that I picked up after Christmas. First time it's been hooked up to the rig, and of course it goes by the Anderson 50 plugs here. And this goes directly to my second battery. And before this was hooked up, the second battery in the system was at about, it's a Optima Red Top, it was at about 12.6 volts. And you'll see right now it is at 13.5. It was actually at 14.1 just a little bit ago, but it's gone. There it is. It just went up to 13.7. So yeah, it's doing a good job. But it was up to 14.1 just a bit ago. Very happy with it. And of course, yeah, the fridge is always in here. 20 liter water tank that I bought from Paul Equipped. And of course, from Jerry at Tembo Tusk, this is the small Adventure Scuttle. Takes up a lot less room in the rig than the full-size one that I brought last year. This will be good for 2 people. Yep, just getting some work done before my trip.